Hello.
Okay, good morning. Good afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon. Magandang araw. My name is Titi Warashirinang. I am from Smile Logistic Network and I will be interviewing you today. Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah. Good
Okay.
afternoon. Yeah.
Yes,
How are
okay.
you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start our interview.
Okay.
So, first, could you please introduce yourself and what you do at your company?
Okay. Thank you for the opportunity to introduce myself and our company. I'm Miss Gloria D. Urbano. I'm the president of Interfreight Worldwide Cargo Logistics Incorporated. We are an international freight forwarding company based in the Philippines. So Interfreight Worldwide is part of the Interfreight Group. We work collaborate closely with our sister company, Interfreight Cargo Express Incorporated, which specializes in customs clearance, brokerage, transport, and other logistics services. This synergy allows us to offer comprehensive logistics services, ensuring smooth movement of cargo both internationally and within the Philippines. So our company is committed to ensuring or providing seamless logistic solutions, ensuring efficiency, compliance, reliability, in every transaction.
All right.
Yes.
Could you please tell us about the company's strength that
Uh,
you think the company has?
Okay. Our company stands out for several key strengths. First, as I mentioned earlier, we provide comprehensive logistics solutions. So we provide end-to-end services, including freight forwarding, customs brokerage, transport, and other logistics-related services. Next is our industry expertise, backed by our board of directors and leaders who have more than 3 decades in the industry. So they have already established a very strong connection with the Bureau of Customs here in the Philippines and other regulating agency. Another is we believe in our reliability and efficiency because in our company, we prioritize timely deliveries and streamlined processes, of course, to minimize delays and enhance our customer satisfaction. Another thing is we have a strong presence or a strategical presence across all ports, major ports in the Philippines, like Cebu, Davao, Bacolod, General Santos, Subic, Clark, Batangas, and many other ports. The reason why we're ensuring nationwide logistics coverage for faster cargo movement. Another thing is we own a fleet of trucks and warehouse. We are maintaining 2 garages, and that give us full control over inland transport, so ensuring reliability, faster turnaround times, and of course, greater flexibility in handling deliveries. Another thing is we have a strong global network of agents, and not only global but also local partners who can assist us in giving cost-effective and seamless services to our customer as well. And at the same time, the focus of our company, of course, is on customer centric growth. So our services here with our company is tailored based on our clients' needs. The reason why we want to offer the highest standard of services to our customers.
Wow,
Mhm.
nice. Really amazing. Okay.
Mhm.
Next is could you please inform us about your company plans in 2025 and 2026, please?
Okay. So looking ahead to 2025 and this 2026, our company is committed to expanding our market reach. So of course, we need also to embrace on digital transformation, and we need to improve more our operational efficiency. What I mean by technology integration is we are planning or we will be implementing digital tracking and automation so that there will be a real-time shipment visibility and ensure our customers transparency. Another is one good plan that we have in mind is to invest in sustainable logistics. So we are exploring green and logistics initiatives to align with global sustainability. So that's one. And also, we need also to help to reduce our environmental footprints. The reason why we need to support the eco-friendly transport solutions. Of course, service expansion is there. We need to enhance our transport fleet and of course our warehouse capacity to meet the increasing demands of our customer and of course to optimize our logistics operation. Again, also we need to strengthen our membership with global network, like all member of the Smile Network, right? So we need to strengthen our relationship with them, and also we will be investing in training because we need to continuously improve our processes so that we can provide the best quality service to our customers.
All right, thank you
Yeah.
so much. And last but not least, may I ask you to offer an invitation to other SLN members to use your company service?
Okay. My dear SLN members, we invite you to experience the efficiency and reliability of Interfreight Group Logistics Solutions. So whether you require an international freight forwarding services, customs clearance, brokerage, transport, and other related services within to from the Philippines. So we have the expertise and network to ensure a smooth and hassle-free shipment. So let's work together to optimize our requirement and of course to enhance our global connectivity. Because in our company, as I'm always saying, at Interfreight, your cargo is our focus. We serve, we commit, we deliver. So that's all I can say. So I just want to thank you, my co-SLN members, the Smile organizer, and you, Madam, and most especially to Mr. Anan for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed today. Thank you.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. You've been
Yeah,
amazing. Thank you
yeah,
so much for your time for the
yeah.
interview today. You may leave the room if you would like.
Mm.
Thank you so much
Okay.
again.
Okay. Thank you very much.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Have a nice day, everyone.